Okay, very good morning, dear students. Today we can do the one-way Anova, the working rule for one-way Anova. By the data, the examiner given you this information. In a problem, it is given, and it should be right like this. By the data, here groups are here, the groups are here, and observations in horizontal way, and groups you have to take in vertical way. And now you can enter all these observation values up to this. It may be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Okay. Now, after that, you have to look here. These observations you have to add, that is a TI value. Then you take a TI square of this value. This is a TI square. Then take a square of this, plus square of this, plus square of this, plus square of this, and add them. And that is summation of xi square. And the B values are here. This plus this plus this plus this equal to TI value. And TI square value, you write it here. And now the square of this plus square of this plus a square of this plus square of this. And that adding them gives summation of xi square. And next, for the C group, this plus this plus this plus this equal to TI value. And take a square of this TI, that becomes a TI square. And this square plus this square plus this square plus this square, that is summation of xi square. Now add all these TI, this plus this plus this equal to T value, means the total observation, sum of total observation, that is T. And no necessary for TI square, here xi square, summation of xi square necessary, this plus this plus this equal to summation of xi square. Now you find the n. N is total observations. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3. This is 12 observations. N equal to 12 you can write. Then K groups. Look here, A, B, C. 3 groups are there. K equal to 3 groups. It may be 4 also, it may be 5 also, depends upon question, paper setup. Next. Then, after this, the B part, state the hypothesis. Hypothesis H0, suppose 3 groups are here. Look here, 3 groups are here, 1, 2, 3. And 3 means are coming. mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. Suppose 4 groups are here. 1, A, B, C, D, 4 groups. Then here you have to take mu1 square equal to mu2 square equal to mu3 square equal to, mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3 equal to mu4. Okay, then, and alternate hypothesis, the reverse of this, opposite of this. It is equal to, not equal to, equal to, not equal to. At least one. All the 3 may not be unequal. At least one may be unequal. Okay, that is the meaning. Then CF, correction factor, T square upon N. T square upon N, look here, the T square value and N value here. Okay, now you can put it here. T square upon N square, you write here. And TSS, summation of xi square minus CF. Summation of xi square. Look here. Summation of xi square value is here. You take that value and keep it here. No, keep it here. And CF value already we have calculated here, minus CF. Then SST means summation of TI square upon Ni. Summation of TI square. Look here. TI square. Look here. TI square. This is value divided by how many? They are the sum of 4 values. This value divided by 4 and plus this value divided by 4. This value divided by 4. You take it. That is summation of Ti square minus Cf. Cf is already calculated here. Then SSE equal to TSS minus SST. Hello? 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 Yes. Now you can find out SSA, TSS minus SST value you can write. The next is Anova table you have to form. Look here. The Anova table. Whatever already calculated value you have to enter here. The variation between error total. Degrees of freedom. The degrees of freedom for the between K minus 1. K means number of groups minus 1. And the groups are 3, 3 minus 1, 2 will be there. And error equal to N minus K. N is total observations minus groups. So that is 12 minus 3 groups. That is the error. And the total degrees of freedom is N minus 1. Yes. Sum of squares equal to SST. Look here, SST value. SST value, this value is coming over here, you write it there. Now, SSE, look here, SSE, last we have calculated, SSE, look here, this value, we have to write there. Then TSS, and TSS already we have calculated here. TSS, look here, yes, TSS here, you can write there. Then, next, MSS. This is mean sum of squares. Mean sum of MST equal to SST divided by K minus 1. SST divided by K minus 1 gives MST. You calculate and write here. Then next, MSE equal to SSE divided by N minus K. Look here, SSE divided by N minus K. This divided by this. Calculate and write here. Then next, F equal to MST divided by MSE. If MST is greater than MSE, and this you have to use. Otherwise, you have to use, look here, the F equal to MSE divided by MST. Look here, MSE divided by MST. If MSE is greater than MST, you calculated this value here. And similarly, here also you have to mark here F, degrees of freedom. If you use this formula, look here, this formula for calculation of F, then it's MST degrees of freedom. This is K minus 1. Then MSC degrees of freedom, N minus K. N minus K. This is the mu1 and this is mu2 while calculation. Or it may be also other way also. Suppose MSC means N minus K, comma K minus 1. And now this becomes mu1, this becomes mu2 in a table. Then F at 0.05 with degrees of freedom, look here, mu1, mu2, the mu2, look here, mu2. And its value is coming from the table. Now calculated value is here, F. Now you take the F here. If it is greater than Ft, this value, then reject the hypothesis. If F is smaller than Ft, then accept the hypothesis. Now we can go and solve one problem. Now, set up an Anova table and state if the variety differences are significant. MN India Limited is supply the varieties of maize seeds to WXYZ. The popular varieties are A, B, C. Now, look here, it is given. Seeds are given, plots are given. These are the plots and these are the seeds. Seeds are three seeds, type of seeds. And plots are four type plots are there. Now, their readings are given here. A's readings, B's readings, C's readings. Now, we have to solve this by Anova, one way Anova. Okay. Now, for this purpose, solution. Solution by the data. Very good. Yeah, my dear students, the solution to this problem by the data, whatever examiner given you, here you have to write them. You look at varieties. They have find the significance of varieties means A, B, C. Three seeds are there. These A, B, C, you take it in horizontal way, and plots you take it in horizontal way, and you take them in vertical way, A, B, C. And enter the values 6, 7, 3, 8, A's readings, and B's readings 5, 5, 3, 7, and C's readings 5, 4, 3, 4. Now, the TI calculation you have to do. You have to do the TI calculation. Means 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8. This is 24. And 24 square is 576. Now, next 6 square plus 7 square plus 3 square plus 8 square. And that is 158. And next 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7. This is a 20. 20 square is 400. Next 5 square plus 5 square plus 3 square plus 7 square. Its sum is 108. And next 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. It is 16. And 16 square 256. Now 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. It is 66. Now you can add TI column here. 24 plus 20 plus 16. This is 60. Means this is sum of all the observations equal to 60. And similarly here, look here, you can add them. Xi square, 158 plus 108 plus 66. This is 332. This is summation of x square, xi square. My dear students, if you do mechanically, it will take lot of, you are waiting lot of time. You can do this in calculation, in calculator itself. How to do? I am going to tell you. On the calculator, press the mode button and then third button. And now here, the number one, only one column. Number two, the two columns are coming. So that I can do the A and B. Look here. First, I can do for A and B values, and this total calculation is coming over here. Now, look here. Then you press the 2. Now, look here. This is, you enter this A values 6, 7, 3, 8 in the X column. 3 equal to button. 3 equal to button. What is this? 3. Look here. The 6, not 3. You cancel it here and delete. Now, look here. 6 equal to button. 7 equal to button. 3 equal to button. 8 equal to button. The fourth, it is 4 readings are there. You take the cursor upward. You take it to the 1 and move the cursor right side. Means in Y column. The Y column has came there. Now you can enter these 5, 5, 3, 7. 5 equal to 5. Then 3 equal 7 equal. Look here. The totally this earlier 4 readings over. Now you press the AC and shift 1 button. Now I want sum TI means you press the 3rd button. Then all the sums have came there. Look here. What I want here? I want sum of X. Therefore, sum of X. Look here. Sum of X I want. Means here 2 button. 2 summation of X equal to 24. Look here. 24 it came there. And take X square button. Press the X square button. And take the square of 24. Then equal to button 576. Look here. In the calculator 576 has came there. You write this value. Then again, shift number 1 button, again 3rd button. What I want here now? Look here. Here, summation of X I want. Then summation of X means a summation of X square. Look here. Summation of X square I want. Then this is number 1 button. 1 equal to 158 came there in calculator. You write 158 here. Look here. Then next. Shift 1, again 3. Then what is this? Look here. What is this? Summation of Y it is. Means summation of Y means 4, number 4. Press the number 4 equal to button. 20 came there on the display of the calculator. Look here 20. And take you press the X square button. Means the answer square it becomes. And equal to 400 came there in a calculator. You write here. Next, what I want here, see, this is summation of Xi, means summation of Y square I want. Look here, press 1, again summation. What I want, summation of Y square. That is 3rd button. You press the 3rd button, 108. Look here, 108 came here. You write here. So that this saves a lot of your time. Then next, only 1 column. Look here, only 1 column left out last. And you can again see, press mode button, 3rd button, and only 1 column necessary, that is 1st button, means X only. And X values you enter here 4, 5 equal to button, 4 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 4 equal to button, and AC button. Okay. Now look here, 5 equal to button, 4 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 4 equal to button. Then AC. Then again start 1. What I want here, I want summation of X here. Summation of X. Then 3rd button. What I want, that is number 2 button. Press the number 2, that is summation of X equal to 16 came there. Look here. You 16. And take you press the X square button. It becomes answer square, means 16 square it is. Equal to 256 came there. You write here. Then again, I want what is this? Summation of X square. Means again, shift 1 button, 3rd button, and number 1. That is summation of X square. Now look here, 66. Now add them, it is 332. Add this TI, 60. Okay. Now next, look here, capital N. Capital means sum of all the total observations. Total observations. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1, 2, 3. 4 into 3, 12 observations are there in the table. And sometimes it may be 20. Sometimes it may be 24. Depends upon question. Okay. Then K. Groups are here. Look here. A, B, C. 3 groups. Total groups are 3. Then state the hypothesis. Hypothesis means the 3 groups are there. Means 3 means are coming. Here 4 groups are there. Then 4 means are coming. Mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3 equal to mu4. 5 means mu1 to mu5 equal. Then 3 groups are there. Mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. Then alternate hypothesis opposite of this. Mu1 is not equal to mu2, is not equal to mu3. At least one is true. Means all the 3 may not be equal. At least one is unequal. Okay. Now next. See here, calculation we have to do. Look here, CF calculation means correcting factor. T square upon n. Look here, T square. From the table you are getting. T square 60. N is 12. 60 square divided by 12. 60 square divided by 12. Look here, 60 square divided by 12. It is calculator 300. This is important result, so that a box it. For this marks will be there. Then next calculation TSS, summation of xi square minus CM. Look here, summation of xi square from the table. Look here, summation of xi square 332. 332. Look here, 332 minus CF. CF just now we have calculated 300. It is 32. Means a TSS. Box it. It is important result. Next, SST equal summation of Ti square upon Ni minus CF. CF is 300. Then Ti square. Look here in the table. Ti square. Look here. Ti square 576 divided by how many? 4 values. This is a sum of 4 values. 576 divided by 4. And similarly, next plus 400 divided by 4 values. Sometimes it may be 2-3 values may be. And 400 divided by, if the 2 values are there, 2 only you take. Here 400 divided by 4 values are there. This is sum of 4 values. Sometimes sum of 3 values may be. Sum of 2 values may be. Sum of only 1 value may be. Okay. Then see here 400 divided by 4. And next plus 256 divided by 4. Look here, you make a calculation. Look here, 576 divided by 4 plus 400 divided by 4, 256 divided by 4 minus 300. In calculator, if you calculate them in calculator, 308 minus 300 means 8. SST is 8. Then you have to calculate SSE means TSS minus SST. You remember all these formulas are very important. 32. Look here, TSS is 32. Minus 8, 24. This is SSE. Now, next, we have to form the Anova table. Very, very important. The examiner gives the marks for this only. By looking at the table, he will give the award the marks. Now, look here, Anova table. The variation first column, degrees of freedom, SS, sum of squares, MSS, mean, sum of squares, F, ratio. MST divided by MSC. Okay. Now, here between degrees of freedom is K minus 1. K minus means K is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then SST, look here, just now we have calculated SST. See, SST, here 8. That 8 you have to enter there. See here. Okay, SST. And SSC, we have calculated here just now. Look here. SSC 24. Okay. And the TSS also last. Look here. 32 is there. 24 and 32. You can enter there. Look here. SSC 24. TSS 32. Then MSS means SST divided by K minus 1. SST divided by K minus 1. Means 8 upon 2. It is 4 it is. And next, MSE means SSE divided by N minus K. SSE divided by N minus K. 24 upon 9. This is 2.67. Okay. Now, next, here F. F equal to MST divided by MSE. If MST is greater, and it may be MSE upon MST if MSE is greater. Then here, see this F value, this is greater MST because it is 4, it is 2.6. Whichever is greater, you take it in numerator. Whichever is smaller, take it in denominator. Then the 4 upon 2.67, you are getting 1.5. And you can write the degrees of freedom for this. Look here, I have taken MST in numerator, and its degrees of freedom 2. And MSC in denominator, look here, MSC in denominator is degrees of freedom 9. And this is in the table calculation, it becomes mu1 and it becomes mu2. And while looking at the table, these necessary values, they are necessary. Look here, FT at 0.0, open the log table and open the 0.05, means 5% table with the degrees of freedom. DF equal to 2, means mu1 equal to 2. Look here, 2 equal to mu1. And degrees of freedom is 9. 9 equal to mu2 is in the table, you can see 2 and 9. It gives 4.26. Now you compare this value and this F value calculated. Look here, F equal to 1.5 and you compare with this 4.26. Look here, 1.5 is smaller than 4.26, means calculated value of F is smaller than table value. Then hypothesis is accepted at 0.05% level. And suppose here it comes, suppose F comes 8. 8 is greater than 4.26. In that case, H0 is rejected. Yes, this is the total answer, my dear students. Wish you good luck. Have a nice time. Good day.